What's up guys, Buadev is here. Today I want to talk about checkpoints. In the last episode we added some respawn point, which is our starting position. If you have not seen that video, I strongly recommend to watch it first. I will leave link in the description, but if not, I will shortly explain what we did. So basically, we added this empty game object fall detector, and we added box collider 2D with the tag of detector. And when our player touches this tag, this detector, he respawns to its starting point, which is fine. But imagine you have bigger map, bigger scene full of obstacles. When the player goes through all of these obstacles and dies at some point, we don't really want him to respawn it all the way to the starting position. We want some checkpoints which will save our position and allows us to respawn at that point, at that location. This fall detector, this box collider follows us with our script. It's very simple. So today we are going to add some checkpoints. I think for this I will add 2 checkpoints. You can add as many as you want. I will show you how it's done. So first of all, let's create empty game object and let's call it checkpoint. Let's position it right here and add box collider. Of course, we need collider to work. Let's click on the edit collider to make it big. So no matter how we land, we should always go to the collider. We should tick is trigger, otherwise it simply won't work. And I will add one more checkpoint, just duplicate this checkpoint, and where to add the second checkpoint? That's a question. One is here, and let's drag it all the way right here. Nice. Now we have 2 checkpoints. Only thing that we want to do, we should add tag to our checkpoint. In order to add tag, first we should create new tag for our checkpoint. So just go in the tag, add tag, click on the plus sign and call it checkpoint. Save, and let's now add this tag to both of our checkpoints. Amazing. Now we are ready to go to our code, and it's very simple. Our player movement script, which is attached to our player. Last time we added vector-free respawn point. It's our starting respawn point, which is, as you see, transfer.position, our player's position, which allows us to respawn at the starting point. And we did it with on trigger enter, main function to detect collisions. And we say that if our player touches something with the tag of detector, make its position equals to respawn point. But today we are going to use checkpoints, and it's very easy to code it. You just need one simple logic. We should say on trigger enter 2D, else if collision dot tag equals to our checkpoint, which we made right now, this tag checkpoint. And if our player touches something with the checkpoint, what we want to do? We want our respawn point to become our position. So respawn point is transformed that position. And that's it, guys. It's this simple. This first logic is for our starting respawn point, and this is for our checkpoints. Save this script and go back to Unity, and let's test it and see how it works. So right now, if we fall from this platform, we just respawn to our starting point. But if we go through to our second checkpoint, which is right here, and jump from our platform, we respawn right here and not on the starting position. Let's test our last checkpoint, which I placed somewhere here. I don't exactly remember, but let's just jump from this platform. And yeah, our checkpoints are working. This is very simple method and good practice to make your scene full of checkpoints. And you can, as I said, you can add as many as you want. I hope this you understand everything. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask in comments down below. And if you like this content and want to see more, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell not to miss any new upcoming interesting videos. Thanks for watching and bye bye.